Even if, ganito yung mangyayari if you are, for example, di ka maka-attend your excuse, it doesn't mean na perfect pa rin kayo. Okay? The perfect attendance, the perfect quiz is the complete attendance. Kung it's absent kayo or not absent, kunwari, next week, excuse kayo absent ninyo. So, that's minus 0.5. Pero kapag wala kayong excuse letter, minus 1. Minus 1. Hanggang sa hindi ka na kayo. So, the perfect score is for the perfect attendance. Okay? Rules and Jao, open your camera.
Sir, mambo-blowjob na lang ako, sir.
Ganun din. Kapag nandito kayo, pero yung camera ninyo, absent din kayo.
Ay, open cam na talaga ako, be.
You really need the
Hindi na ako mag-off cam.
high scores sa quizzes natin. Kasi, I feel it. That we need. Okay na. So, si Jared, naka-off pa rin yung camera at si Jao.
Kaya sumasideline na yung pagsusulat ko. Tingnan nyo, oh. Tangina na. Pasideline yung kanan ko. Hindi na siya padiretso.
Okay, wala na. Screenshot ako. Si Jared na lang. Jared, okay ka ba? Absent ka na. Wala na to. Send ka na lang ng selfie sa chat. Pwede naman yata mag-attach. Okay, bakit? Okay, or nasa ka. Okay, screenshot na ako. 1, 2, 3, 2. Ay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 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 You may still open your camera. Okay. Hindi naman po hindi ako strict pero open lang ng camera para happy kayo sa buhay. Tapos, kung matutulog kayo, bahala kayo sa buhay ninyo. Pwede kayong kumain habang
Mag natutulog.
Habang nag-aaral tayo. Lahat pwede nyo gawin kasi syempre hindi ko naman pwedeng pagbawalan. Pero huwag nyo rin akong sisihin kapag bumaba yung grade nyo. Everything that you do, laging consequence yan. Okay. And kung ready naman kayo sa consequence, go na. Pero okay lang kumain, basta nakikinig kayo or basta pag tinanong ko kayo, makasagot kayo. Okay? Okay ba yan? Ano ba? Magandang reactions? Wala. Okay, grade 11 ako. Kaya nyo na yan. Sige, kung sinong makakagawa ng kumain habang natutulog, may +5. Okay. Pero ang kumain nyo naman, lang. Init sa tabaw.
Okay lang.
Anyways, so let's start our class. Wait lang, parang may nag-iwan ko na. Wala na no. Pag may nakalimutan ako with regards to our groups, kung habang natutulog kumakain, mainit na sa bawang, gusto kong umuusok pa sa init. Sige lang, lang. Kung kaya ninyo, tapos you have a beat yourself a lot, send nyo na lang.
Ay, nakikita mo yung phone ko.
Iiyak na ako. Next
Wala akong
na
pake.
Yes, magpe-present na kami.
Ay, nagkapasan kayo. Oh my God, good luck, be. Good luck.
Thanks. Watch me. Watch me fail.
Okay, be.
I'm gonna cry. I don't like this.
Nasa man kayo, ako nandito sa Manila, umulan kayo. Nasa lang sana okay na. Kung kaya silang nag-start. Actually, last week pala. Pero, we're going to discuss the circle. Actually, unit 1,
Wala. Wala pa akong libro.
Type of concept. What do you have?
Ang energetic ng teacher namin, hindi ko carry.
Hmm? Ano yan?
Circle.
Ay, shit.
Ayan. So, a line on a phone is called, wala rin meron kang dalawang cone. You have the upper nape and you have the lower nape. Pag weird ka, tapos pinagdikit mo silang dalawa ng ganyan, or pag pinagpatong mo sila ng ganyan, you'll find a line. Okay, and this line is what we call the generator. Generator,
Sure.
okay, a line on the cone is called the generator. And the only point where the generators intersect is what we call the vertex. So itong,
Like rain,
itong point na to,
I didn't have time to
this is the vertex. This line is the generator. So again, we have two cones. Okay, tas wala lang, gusto mo lang silang ipagpatong ng ganito. Okay, you have the upper nape and then you have the lower nape. You'll get this line as the generator. This line where the two cones intersect is what we call the vertex. Ngayon, dahil wala ka rin magawa ulit, you get a plane, kuha ka ng film, tapos kinat mo yung isang cone. So, kinat mo cone na yun, the cross-section of that, you will form a circle. Or if you want to cut the cone,
How do I feel?
the plane to the cone is parallel
Honestly,
to no generator. And then ito yung generator.
I mean,
Tapos
it's
may plane
great to
ka,
listen.
kinat mo yung cone na hindi parallel sa generator. Ang cross-section for every cone na mapupunta mo is a circle.
This community,
Ayan.
a
Ito yung
little,
circle na mapupunta. Sabi dito na the circle,
it feels like you're trapped in a box because it's so loud and everything's so fast paced and you can't keep up sometimes
okay, a
with it.
circle consists of all the points on a plane
What are
that
the
are
challenges
equidistant from a
faced
fixed
in
point
your
called the
community?
center.
A lot of
A constant distance
there's
is
a lot
called
of
radius of the circle.
challenges here that we're facing, especially with overcrowding
Ito yung circle mo. Meron
and
kang
traffic.
center.
Like a lot of
Lahat
traffic
ng
is
points from the circle,
really
Wow, I
hard
can't
to
understand.
travel in one
equidistant.
Oh
place.
shit.
Even if
Pare-pareho
it
lang
takes
yung
you for
distance.
30 minutes,
And ang
like,
tawag dyan ay
it'll take you at least 2
Mhm.
hours because of
Of
overcrowding
course,
and
from
traffic.
one edge
So
to the
that's what
other
we
side of the
face
circle, ang
here
tawag
in
doon
the
diameter.
community.
Diameter is equal to twice the radius.
What are the struggles of the people living
Diba?
in
So, naging sila.
the struggles that they
So,
face?
for example, you have a circle.
I think it's a lot of the community and
Yes. So, this one, this is
just
circle center
overcrowding
at
culture.
0,
So much people. I live in Manila, so it's really
Tapos,
the
this
main
one,
city.
this is the
Do you
radius.
also experience these
Along the
struggles? I
Y
do.
and
It
along
is
X,
the
ito din yung
struggles
radius.
that we all are
Nakikita.
facing here. The commute,
Okay.
the
Theorem 1
fast-paced life,
suggests
and also a lot of stealing. There's has been a lot of cases where if you're walking down the street, there's motorcycles that will just come up to you and take your phone or just steal from you, and that's why it's really dangerous to go out at night. I don't go out. How do you and the people in your community cope with these challenges? Thankfully, our community has barangay tanods, so they do patrol every night. So if there's people outside, they tend to watch over them, and there's like security at least 24/7 because of the high criminal um, percentage. Yeah, crime rate. Crime rate. Yeah, crime rate. Oh my gosh, I'm dancing. Okay, yun lang po. Thank you. Te, meron tayong visually impaired na kaklase.